play my favorite game. Somebody is texting me.
So, who is it, Sammy?
Raj is having a blast at the movies. Why does everyone keep texting me?
Oh, hi, Grandma Slime. Sam is a bit busy right now.
Why can't everybody leave me alone?
Let's turn off all the gadgets and have fun with a good old playbook. This is Juan. He looks a bit like Talking Tom.
Your Juan is messy. My Tom is better.
We can fix that. Let's clean him now. But first, we need to go to another room. I mean the bathroom. It is very easy, you see? Let's make you fresh and clean.
Actually, most cats hate water, but I heard that some of them are cool with juice.
Seriously, they like swimming in juice? This is weird. You'll never get clean like that. Just sticky.
My cat in Tibidabo preferred apple juice above all. Yuck! Is that fur?
You mentioned juice and our Juan got really hungry. Let's see what we can get him for lunch.
You can feed him this. Catch!
Oh, yuck. What is this?
I was just kidding. Better give him a candy.
Nope, I'll save this for me. Juan already has everything he needs.
Juan is full now. He's waving cheerfully at us.
Yep, but after a good meal, it's great to have a nap. But we need to play a bit to earn some money and buy more food. It's been a while since I went to space. Are we ready? Then launch! We'll move around the comets carefully, like this. And we did it! I got 100 coins.
Now it's my turn, Sue. I will pass all the tubes in no time. Flash Sam is unstoppable. Watch and learn. And here are my 100 coins. Sue, be careful.
Let's replay. Something went wrong.
I'll fix it in no time. We need to go back a little bit. Sue, make your move.
Juan needs to get some sleep and he will be all right.
Oh no! Juan needs a health injection.
No need, Sammy. We will take something from here. Like this. Oh no, it got even worse.
Let's disassemble the playbook and check it.
Sammy, wait, I still can fix it on my own. Check it out. Juan is rooting for me. We'll let Juan sleep and rest, and I will figure it out. We have just one thing left. And one more.
Don't get carried away, Sue. Be careful.
Holy cannoli! Just look at these wings. Juan is super healthy now.
Woohoo! Now we can fly together. Oops, I'm okay. No worries. I'm here. Are you okay, Sammy?
Grandma Slime, I didn't know you were coming.
I got worried for my grandson. Oh, my feta. Why is this happening to me?
Today, we have 3 craft masters here. Sam's grandma also decided to join us.
The one and only Super Sam can do everything on his own. But his grandma is always trying to feed him. Granny, I am not hungry. One more spoon, honey. Come on.
While they're having fun, I'll keep working. I can paint our friend Juan in just one move.
And I can add shades in no time.
Hey, you, that's not all.
Grandma managed to feed me anyway. Ooh. Sammy, you need to have rest. And I can deal with this craft for you. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
It's so cool that your grandma's here. We will definitely finish much faster like that.
I am not so sure about it. Hey, Kitty, what size are you? I want to knit you some clothes.
I don't think it's a good idea. Juan doesn't need any sweaters.
horrible! What a mess! I need to clean everything up now! Grandma, don't touch these. These are important pieces. What kind of behavior is this? Let me go now.
Sammy is our craft guardian today. And the fridge for Juan's food is ready.
Food? Did you say food? I can feed everyone.
I wouldn't say no to something delicious.
Give it back. The kitty should eat first.
And I still need to prepare many small pieces for our playbook.
I'm so tired. I guess I need a power nap. You both can relax. I already have a plan.
Thanks, but I'm doing pretty good here. Top? Great.
I'm not gonna be sitting around either. All done!
While Grandma is sleeping, we can get a lot of things done.
We can also have some fun while my grandma isn't looking. Hey, Sue, have this!
Sammy, hush, or you will wake her up. Nobody wants that.
Huh, it's not as easy as you think. See for yourself.
Okay, I get that. But still, we had better keep it down.
I'm telling you, it's all right. Achoo! Sammy, are you sick? You need some milk and honey? I'm not sick. Ugh.
While our slime family is having time of their life, I will take care of the bathroom. Let's add some soap. I wish I could put a lot of shampoos around.
Grandma, please. It's so hot. Can I take off the scarf?
Don't argue with your grandma, Sammy. Better check out the kitchen.
Sweetie, look. I made you a perfect little hat. Sue, save me!
Can you help me, Grandma? I need to attach these pieces.
I will press it so hard it will stick forever. While you two were chatting, I worked hard.
Hey, I also managed to make some useful things.
How much longer should I press it, Susie?
Oh, wait just a little bit more. We will finish very soon. Hey, what's that banging sound?
I made you a very important piece.
I am amazed by your talent and skills, Grandma. Now, let's put everything inside our new cool playbook. Oh, I can't wait to test it.
Hello? Yep, I'm on my way. See you soon. Grandma, who are you talking to? I'm off for an urgent meeting in the Maldives with other slime grannies. Bye-bye.
Sounds cool. Have a safe trip and enjoy your vacation.
Now I'm the only crafter slime here, and the playbook is all mine. I really miss Grandma. She was so much fun.
Sammy, look! We got a delivery! Oh, wow, it's from your grandma to my slimy grandson.
Really? Is there anything else?
Yeah, she sent you a cute little slime hat. I bet she knitted it herself.
Now I have a perfect outfit to have fun with my playbook.
Friends, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you liked our craft today. Bye-bye!
See you around!